Hi everyone, I am Shiva Chaitanya, Oracle trainer. In this video, I want to talk about one Oracle interview question, that is, what is the execution order of select command clauses? Now see, observe here, this is the syntax of select command. So every query is made up of with some clauses. This entire one we are calling as the select command. In this select command, many clauses are there. Observe. Select is the clause. Distinct is the clause. From clause, where clause, group by, having, order by, offset, fetch. So these are the 9 clauses in the select command. So the question is, what is the execution order of these clauses? So among these clauses, first which one will be executed here? See, first from will be executed. So from selects entire table, from will be executed first. So from the selected table, it filters the rows. To filter the rows, next where will be executed. After filtering the rows, it groups the records. So group by will be executed. Next, those groups will be filtered by having clause. Next, having will be executed. Then select will be executed. Okay, here default one is all. So select, all is the default one. Select or select all, both are same. Select or select all, both are same. So select will be executed, it selects the columns. So from that result, if any duplicate values are there, if you want to avoid duplicates, we use distinct. Distinct will be executed. Now this result will be arranged in the order. So order by will be executed. Now from that result, if you want to skip the rows, we use offset. Offset will be executed. From that result, if you want to fetch the rows, fetch will be executed. So this is the execution order of clauses of select command.